To fix the "try another verification method" issue in Microsoft Awards, simply use your real phone number from your regular telephone company. This must be a personal phone number, not a virtual one from an online service like Google Voice. Using a real phone number is crucial, as it allows the verification process to work. If you've previously tried to use a different phone number, you may need to wait 2 to 3 days before you can switch to your real number. Once you've waited, enter your exact cell phone number, the one that friends and family can use to call you. This should resolve the issue. If it doesn't, contact Microsoft support for assistance. They will likely advise you to use your real phone number, and they will help you fix the problem. Note that it may take 2 to 3 days for Microsoft support to respond, but they will guide you through the solution.